welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to be showing you my jiggly galaxy slime. The last jiggly slime I made was black. This one is galaxy. Yeah, so it's really jiggly. And we have this and all of this. So comment down below if you guys were me, would you rather have this one or would you rather just have this one? Okay, so this is a really jiggly slime. Yeah, this is going to be a short video, just like my other slimes. They're usually 2 minutes, so I'm gonna make this one 2 minutes as well. It's not that stretchy. It's pretty breaky. And this one just like that, and then I could maybe do like an SMR video of this, a slime SMR. I'm sorry for any background noises. That's just my family. You guys should know how annoying family can be at times. So this isn't stretchy, not like my other slimes. So I have made 2 water jiggly slimes and 2 stretchy slimes. If you guys haven't seen those, subscribe to my channel and you can see them. So you guys, I'm gonna wrap the video up right here. I'll see you all next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below which one you would rather have, the small one or the big one. See y'all next time. Bye.